Salve omnes, welcome to this video lesson to show you how to use Vocabulator to make a vocabulary quiz. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to make one on, say, a quiz that would cover a master vocabulary set all the way from Chapter 1 of Lingua Latina per se illustrata to Chapter 19. So make sure you've got the first chapter set for Chapter 1 and the last chapter you want to include in this set for 19, and then I'm going to set it for a quiz that will have 30 multiple choice. It will have 10 Latin to, or English to Latin, sorry, and it will have 10 Latin to English. Now, on this particular one, 10 of the Latin to English are going to count as extra credit, so there will actually be only 45 points on the quiz, and then the extra 5 are going to be extra credit. But in any case, you can see how this is going to work out. So now once I have all my entries into those text boxes, then I'm going to press submit. And now I have this whole thing. Now, like I said, the one that's coming up soon in class, I'm going to count 5 of the Latin to English as extra credit, so it'll actually be not 50 points total, but 45. But other than that, you can see how it makes the quiz for you. You've got all the multiple choice here listed, A, B, C, D, and then if I go past the multiple choice, then I get to my Latin to English section, and it gives me the Latin word, and I would then say what it means in English. And then past that, I get the English to Latin section. It gives me the English definition, and I need to say the Latin. And if I look on past that, guess what? I get the clavis responsorum, the key to the answers, right? And so you have all the answers there. So essentially, this is a way that you can make a practice test or practice quiz on vocabulary, whether it be all, say, Latin to English, or some Latin to English, some English to Latin, or whether you want to throw in some multiple choice like I sometimes do. So this is a good way to see, basically this is how I make vocab sections of quizzes and tests. I just use this little app that I designed, and you can do it too to see how you do. And again, at the end you have the key to all the responses, which includes all the long marks and everything that you would need to make sure you get it fully accurately correct. All right, I hope that short video lesson helps you understand how you can use Vocabulator to make your own practice quizzes and tests for vocabulary. Salve omnes.